up Wednesday, my friends? This is Angela Kaiser, and I'm here today to show you how you can add your Microsoft 365 suite to your Promethean version 9 panel. So it's kind of like a shortcut bookmark, but you can get to your online version of your Office 365 suite right there directly from your panel. You don't have to have your computer connected. You can untether yourself from that and go directly to your cloud version, your Office 365, but now it's called Microsoft 365. So let's dive into it. So I'm going to go to my tray down here at the bottom. And I'm going to go to my Chromium, which is already open here. And I'm going to go into my search bar and I'm going to type in Microsoft. And you'll see in my history, been doing a little search. So I'm going to type in Microsoft 365, click there. And I'm going to wait for it to find it. All right, so now we are in our search and we found Microsoft 365. This is the new little logo. You're looking for that little icon with the purple and bluish little circle there. Microsoft 365 log on. This is what you're looking for. So you're going to click that so you can log into that. This is their landing page or their splash page, as they like to call it. Now, the first time that you do this, you're probably going to have to put a little more into it. You're going to have to put your district credentials. And what I mean by that is you're going to have to put in your username, your email address, and your password. And you're probably going to have to go through that two-step verification, that authentication. Most districts have that these days. Mine's on my phone. So have your phone ready because you're probably going to have, it's going to shoot you a code. And so you'll have to have your phone ready or, whatever you use for your two-step authentication. Since I've already gone through that process, it automatically knows that I have signed in. So it's ready for me. But you'll probably have to put in your email address, your password, and then your two-step authentication or verification. That is you. All right. So after you've done all of that, then you're going to sign in. And once you sign in, of course, see, it's going to ask me for my password. So I'm going to go ahead and put in my password. Ready, close your eyes. I'm going to sign in here. And once I sign in, and now I'm in my Microsoft 365 account. Now, after it asks me that, I want you to notice at the bottom. Notice down here at the bottom. It asks me if I want to add it to my home screen. Yes, I do. So I'm going to add that to my home screen. It's going to pop up and ask me, are you sure? Install app. Now, remember, version 9, we don't really install apps, but it's treating it like it is. So I'm going to install this, and then it's adding it. And then let me minimize this for you. And then if I go back to my tray down here at the bottom, go into my applications, swipe over, and there it is right there for me. So now I can click on that, open it up. Here's my Microsoft 365 account, ready for me to go, ready for me to use. Simple as that, friends. I can get to my PowerPoints that I created. I can get to my Word documents, my Excel spreadsheets. I can get to everything. And the best part is I can annotate over all of those right there for my panel. And I don't need to plug in my computer. I don't need to be tethered to that computer. Try it out. Have fun with it. Have any questions, please reach out to us. We'd love to hear back from you and have an awesome, awesome day.